Getting stung by Ringo. Yeah, all I can think of is, what do you got, Bill? The one started he's done 12 on British charts in 63. So
I know you ain't doing this to yourself.
their second single was their first hit.
Stop what you're doing and let him go.
I was right.
Pack up all your things when you're finally done. Call me up, sweet mama, we'll run. Cause oh, what a way to live a life. Living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. That time will be the last he ever hurt you. Well, all your extra makeup on work. We all feel it too, we know you're hurt. I know some time will pass before you know what's real. I can't change the way you think, but oh, what a way to live a life.
The sales of Suzuki, because they put this in every car.
Living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know
2023 taking it out and charging extra now because they know
that time will be the last he ever hurt you again.
I've never seen some lockdown. I think it's a lockdown. Curries. Oh yeah, King. They spend all this money on the photo hobos and then you get Kings.
Well, you can't wait till it's too late. How much longer will you take? Don't drown in what's around you, let him go. Won't you find your new surroundings with the man who loves you so? The man I know who'll treat you like you're worth your weight in gold. So what a way to spend a life, living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know that time will be the last he ever hurt you again. He'll do it again, again and again.
I wanna take you out, show you the time of your life. I wanna figure out what it takes to give you everything you desire. I wanna lay beneath the stars with you in the back of my truck. I guess that this is what they call love. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. I've been waiting on the sidelines, praying for the right time to let you know you're all I ever said. Let's pull up ties and take a trip to someplace new. Don't care where, as long as I have you. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. My love for you is insane, but I wouldn't change a thing unless you wanted me to. I'd do anything for you. Waking up next to you is all I ever want to do. Baby, we can last forever. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. And my love for you is insane, but I wouldn't change a thing unless you wanted me to. I'd do anything. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. Well, my love for you is insane, but I wouldn't change a thing unless you wanted me to. I'd do anything for you.
A couple of weeks. Well, we should get all that tax back next year because they're all nearly paid off. So
Go there.
let's say Bunny will be gone by then. So we'll just have the one dog, and as we're going around, we can just pop him into daycare.
To left after 300 meters and follow to Dock Road.
So if we're going to look at houses or you want to go look at things, we can just pop them in daycare. These are my
Hold on to the hand of self-destruction. I'm back
What you
to
did
a
this morning is break
place
the spirit.
that I left a long time ago.
Boy,
Give me a sec, I'll smoke this cigarette.
You must have buzzed the door.
Making body feels better store.
Saying, would you just
What do you do?
You must have spent running from your barrel. See?
Pick up my guitar and
behind the curtain.
Oh, he tried to hide it.
too much on your plate.